Everyone, how are you doing? My name is John Russell. I'm just going to take you through the white label event management hub. So here we are on the home page. All of this is pretty much customizable. First of all, let's go to the login page. Here you can log in, you can create an account, you can log in with your email address and password, or you can use Google and Microsoft authentication. I am going to create a new account. And I am going to create a event attendee 2. Oh, and I am going to just pop in a password, pop in an email address. And create my account. Great. So I'm going to go and see if because I want to buy a ticket for this event that's coming up. So browse events, and there is a ticket. I'm going to purchase that. It's going to take me over to Stripe. And hopefully it will return me to show me my ticket. There's my ticket. Great. We can download the ticket. This can be scanned on entrance. And now we can have a look at some speaker sessions. Okay, so there's one. I'm going to add that to my schedule. And you can see that it's there now, and I can take it out. I can browse sessions, go back there, etc. Well, what I wanted to do is I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to sign in as the admin account. And in the admin account, I've got access to all the users. User can be various different types of user. They can be admin, organizer, speaker, sponsor, and attendee. Attendee is simple, like sign up, like I just showed you there. But you might get an organizer or a sponsor or a speaker or even an admin, and you can come here and you can change their persona here based on their email address. Up at the top, we'll go from the top. So app settings, this allows you to configure this. So you can have, the name of your app, the browser tab title, the favicon URL, a bit of a description for the footer, and also you can set your branding. You can also change the localization, so we can change the currency if we need to, and we can add other bits and pieces, email address, contact information, and social media links. We go to the event. This is the event page. If we edit it, we can see that it's got start date time, but we've also got this enable QR code check-in and require paid tickets. That's also set up. This can be configured via Stripe. When you download the repo, there are instructions on how you can do that. And important, we also have the capacity here, which will stop ticket sales going above that number. Next, we have venues. Pretty easy to add a venue. Just click add venue, stick it all in here. And you can see here's my test venue. We can also set rooms up as well. You can add a room and you can set it against the venue, how many people are, the maximum capacity, etc., etc. Session tracks. So here's 4 that we're using for East of England Power Platform Summit, but you can use others. Don't have to use this. And obviously, when you download the white label solution repo from Gumroad, you will all of the data won't be here. So it's up to you what you would like to do. Some session levels as well. And then also added myself as a speaker. Here I am a few years ago. What you can do here, though, is you can click on Import Excel and you can download a template, an Excel template. And that is very similar to what you get when you download, if you're an organizer for an event on Sessionize, if you download the flattened or the 2-tab worksheet for sessions and speakers, you can use that and import it. It's a good idea to import your speakers first. And then once you've imported your speakers, you can come over to sessions and you can also import your sessions here. And it will map the GUID that you've given for the speaker ID to the, it will map the speaker ID from the speakers to the speaker ID that's in your sessions. Also got workshops as well. Haven't created a workshop, but yeah, the idea is pretty similar to an event, but you can set up a price and also give it its Stripe price ID, and that will allow you to allow people to buy workshop places. Also, we've got analytics. So analytics, you can see how much money you've made, or how much revenue you've made, the registrations, revenue by source, registrations by persona, the most popular 5 sessions, and loads of other bits and pieces as well. Finally, manage bookings. So if you do have a workshop booking, someone's booked a workshop, you'll be able to see who has booked a workshop there. So if you would like to get this, you can go to Gumroad, and I will show you the different. We've got three different licenses for this. One is the standard license. So you basically get everything that I've just gone through. And we've also got there's also a progressive web app actually, which I didn't show you, but if I zoom in, actually, I'll just change. No, I won't do that. If I just change the size of this, you'll see that when it shrinks, it kind of does it into a nice app for mobile phones. And if we log in here as the attendee, you can see my tickets, speaker sessions, etc. Back over to here then. Yeah, so this is good for, solo developers, small events, community organizers. Pretty good, I think, pretty good price, standard edition. You can then, you could, if you wanted to, go for the professional edition, which is here. And again, similar stuff, but you also get some support from me. This video setup walkthrough. There's also some guides that I provide inside the repo, which will help you customize it, as well as a production deployment checklist, some optimization tips for performance, and help with Firebase and Stripe setup. Finally, the last one is agency. This one is if you want to kind of reuse this code multiple times for multiple different events for maybe different clients, then this one, you get that extended white label license, 60 days priority support. There is a Slack and Discord channel coming soon. And also there is some more documentation around handing off to the client, plus a reselling pricing guide. So that is everything. Really appreciate you listening and watching, and hope you have a good day. Thank you.